Hey guys, Jacob here with ePoolSupply. Today we got some muriatic acid that we're going to add to a swimming pool. I'm going to show you the proper way to do it. Stay tuned. All right, and we're back. So today we have Trident's muriatic acid. It is 31.45% strong. So always keep an eye about how strong you guys have your muriatic acid. So I know some big box stores have it like super diluted. It's mostly water. This is pro strength. So this is what the pros use. We have it in all of our retail stores. But yeah, so today we're going to add it to this pool. This pool has a pH of like 8.4 right now. So we're going to add roughly a quarter to a half gallon of muriatic acid to this thing. You guys got to make sure after you add this, try not to swim for at least 3 hours. You could also retest it just to make sure your pH isn't all out of whack. But yeah, I mean, this is muriatic acid. This brings your pH down. So make sure to always test your water before you add it in there. And I want to show you something that's right here is a puppy. Don't have any kids, animals, anything around here when you guys are putting this inside the pool. So let's get her out of here. Come on, honey. Let's go, honey. This stuff is very, very potent. This is not vinegar. This is acid. So when you pour it in, you might see a little smoke. Try not to breathe it in. We're going to pour it in. We're going to walk it a little bit. Because if you guys pour it in one spot, you're also going to lower your alkalinity. So if you do have an alkalinity problem or it's too high, then you want to pour it in one spot in the deep end. But I don't have an alkalinity problem on this pool. So we're just going to kind of walk it and kind of disperse it a little bit. So let me show you how to do this. So these caps are vented and child resistant. So if you just turn it, nothing happens. So you have to push down. All these have these child vented caps, which is good. So this one's already been used a little bit, but what we're going to do is we're going to get really low. Because if I pour it up here, it's going to splash, ruin my clothing. It's not fun. So, all right. So I'm going to start down here and then disperse it. It looks a little foggy in the water. But again, I use roughly quarter to a half gallon of acid. I'm also going to test it tomorrow. Just to make sure that it's at the proper pH, because if it's still a little elevated, then I kind of a little bit more and kind of adjust it from there. You don't want to overdo it because then once your pool turns super acidic, you could ruin your heater, you could ruin your pebble tech, your vinyl liner. You could ruin a lot of things about your pool if you add too much of this at one time. So always test. This is very, very, very finicky on acid for your levels. So you always want to make sure this is your perfect part of your pool is your pH level. So again, this is Trident Chemical Company. They're based out of Casa Grande, Arizona. This is their muriatic acid, very strong stuff. This is what the pros use, this is what we recommend. Don't buy the stuff that's diluted from the big box stores because you're pretty much just wasting your money. But yeah, so today we have some muriatic acid. I'm Jacob with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching our videos. Be sure to like and subscribe down below. We have a lot more content coming up. I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. See you next time.